Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Kid Cudi here with a song called Stars in the Sky. It's actually with Sonic the Hedgehog. Very cool song, gives you a great vibe. So yeah, let's start. We need to set our capo on the first fret. We have 4 different chords to learn, and it's 1 chord progression through the entire song. So that is very, very great. So chords first. The C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have F, so that is a bar on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So there you have it, C, F, G, and A minor. Now, before we look at the chord progression, we need to look at the strumming pattern. F is the first chord, so let's grab that first. And the strumming is very, very easy. It's just down, up, down, up. So you want to emphasize the second and last down. So you do that in making a full downstroke on that one. And the other down ups, you can just play for 3-4 strings or so. To really be able to emphasize the down there. So slowly, one strumming will be like this for F. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like this. Alright, so when we have that, now let's look at the chords. You will play 2 strumming rounds for each and every chord. And the chord progression will be first round F 2 times, G 2 times, C 2 times, and F 2 times. That's the first round. The second round will be F 2 times, G 2 times, and now A minor 2 times and F 2 times. So it's very similar. F, G, C, F, first round, and F, G, A minor, F. So instead of C in the first round, you play A minor in the second. So that's it. So one round of this chord progression with the strumming here will sound like this. C, F, F, G, A minor, and F. Yeah, so you're gonna play like this entire song actually. And that's great. You just continue with A minor and you end on F. So that pretty much covers this song from KC, Stars in the Sky. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope to see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.